In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF file on your laptop, PC, or computer. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to turn almost any document into a PDF using tools you already have on your computer. No special software or paid apps are required for the basics. First, open the file you want to turn into a PDF. This could be a Word document, a text file, a PowerPoint presentation, or even a web page open in your browser. The process is almost always the same. You'll use the print option, but instead of printing on paper, you'll print to a PDF file. Once your file is open, look for the menu at the top of the window. Click on File, and then choose Print. If you're using a browser, you can usually press the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+P on Windows, or Command+P on a Mac, to open the print dialog quickly. When the print window opens, you'll see an option to choose a printer. This is the important part. Instead of selecting a physical printer, you want to choose the option that says something like Save as PDF, or Microsoft Print to PDF on Windows, or PDF in the bottom left corner on a Mac. Then, Save as PDF. If you don't see it right away, check the list of available printers or click any drop-down that lets you choose a destination. After choosing the PDF option, take a moment to review the settings. Here you can usually select which pages you want to include. For example, you might save all pages or just a specific range like pages 2 to 5. You can also adjust orientation between portrait and landscape, and sometimes change the paper size if needed. Before you save, it's a good idea to click on the preview if it's available to make sure everything looks right and nothing is cut off. This helps you avoid having to repeat the process later. When you're happy with the preview, click the button that says Print or Save. Despite the label, it won't actually print. It will open a new window asking where you want to save your PDF file. Choose a folder you'll remember, such as your documents or desktop. Give your file a clear name, and then click Save. Finally, go to that folder and open your new PDF to confirm it looks exactly how you want. And that's it. You've created a PDF on your computer using the built-in Print to PDF feature.